Let's be honest, you clicked on this video because you need to know how many millionaires are there really in the US and how did they do it? According to the UBS Global Wealth Report 2025, the US hosts over 24 million millionaires. That means nearly 1 in 10 adults in this country has a net worth of over $1 million. I get it. If you're not one of them, it's easy to feel defeated. But I'm here to tell you that this statistic that you find depressing is actually the hope you need to keep going after your financial goals. I'll let you in on a little secret. Up to 80% of those millionaires are self-made. They didn't inherit it. No, they didn't win the lottery. They simply executed a financial plan. So for those of you feeling like, I'll never be a millionaire, that's impossible. Stop focusing on the actual number and start focusing on your game plan. I'm going to give you the 3 non-negotiable millionaire habits right now. And if you stick around until the end, you'll get the 4-step game plan that you can implement today to start your journey. But before we jump into the foundation of habits, let's begin by exposing the lie that keeps everyone else stuck, the consumption trap. The single biggest lie that prevents people from joining the Everyday Millionaire Club is the confusion between income and wealth. The UBS report highlights this perfectly, noting that some countries with high average salaries fail to create high national wealth, while other countries punch above their weight. Why? Because wealth is far less uniform and a lot harder to spot than income. The report notes, it is only visible when it translates into consumption. Think about it. The expensive car, the constant vacations, the designer watch, these are all just status symbols. The everyday millionaire doesn't fall for this trap. They understand that their focus must shift entirely from how much they earn to how much they keep and invest. Until you see income as a tool for creating assets and not a license to spend, you will always feel behind. If you agree, hit that like and subscribe button. Some good news to note is that according to the UBS report, in the United States, median wealth per adult grew by more than 45% from 2020 to 2024. This growth was concentrated in the lower and middle wealth segments, completely overshadowing the growth in average top-heavy wealth. This means that the engine of wealth creation is pulling people up from the middle. So, what are the 3 non-negotiable habits of millionaires? It's simple. Number 1, they live below their means. They maximize the gap between what they earn and what they spend. Number 2, they invest consistently. They treat investing as a commitment. It's not optional. Number 3, they avoid bad debt. They see high interest consumer debt as a self-imposed tax on their future. There's no reason to be paying 20 to 30% interest rates on things they don't actually need. So now that we have our foundation, let's get into the 4 specific actionable steps that you can take starting today. Step 1, set up the game plan. Pay yourself first. The biggest mental shift is realizing that saving is not a passive activity. You must automate it. Don't wait to see what's left over at the end of the month. Set up an automated transfer for a specific dollar amount or percentage that moves from your checking account to your investment account the day you get paid. This ensures your money is working for you before you even have a chance to spend it. If you can only afford $50 or $100, that's where you start. Building the habit is more important than the actual amount. This automated move is your first and most critical step into your secure financial future. Step 2, tackle your debt. Before you can maximize investment gains, you must minimize interest loss. Your high interest debt, like a credit card at 22% APR, is a massive anchor. It's just weighing you down and preventing you from moving forward. I want you to view paying this off as a guaranteed investment. If you pay off a 22% credit card balance, you have effectively earned a guaranteed tax-free 22% on your money. You will not find that on Wall Street. So make an aggressive plan to wipe out your smallest high interest debts first. The momentum you gain will be a massive psychological boost. Step 3, invest in low-cost funds. Simplicity wins. The everyday millionaire doesn't day trade and doesn't chase meme stocks. They rely on the proven power of the entire market. Once your automated money hits your investment account, your next step is to put it to work in a low-cost, diversified index fund or ETF. It's boring, but boring is how you get rich. Remember this analogy. Your investment portfolio is like a bar of soap. The more you touch it and handle it, the more it loses. So set it and forget it. Be boring, ignore the hype, and watch your investments grow. Step 4, master the mindset. The final step is mastering your financial behavior. Financial success is 80% behavior and 20% mechanics. It is so important for you to identify your personal money story. These are the beliefs about money that have been passed on to you and maybe taught to you. Shift your mindset from being a spectator hoping for a raise to instead being an owner controlling your savings rate. So instead of asking, why am I so behind? Start asking, how can I get ahead? Look, the Millionaire Club is not some secret society. It's a community of people who simply decided to execute this game plan consistently. To be honest, the best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. You get to decide today whether you're going to use this statistic as further proof as to why you'll never be a millionaire, or you can decide to use this as proof of concept of why not you. So I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one specific habit that you're going to adopt today. Will you set up your automated transfer? Will you pay down a specific credit card? Your journey to financial freedom starts with that one small, intentional step. If you want to transform yourself and your money, watch this next video for 5 micro habits to adopt. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.